dear students, I am Sandeep Kaur, your English teacher. In this speaking session, we are going to learn the use of words as different parts of speech. The same word can be used as a noun, adjective and a verb. ਬੱਚਿਓ, ਆਪਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ words ਨੂੰ as a noun, adjective ਤੇ verb use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Let's understand this by taking some examples. The first word we are going to discuss is light. L-I-G-H-T, light. Light comes from the sun. Light comes from the sun. रोशनी सूरज तो आती है. Here, the word light has been used as a noun. This is a light packet. This is a light packet. Here, the word light tells us the quality of a packet. So, it's an adjective here. Light the lamp. Light the lamp. Lamp जगा दो. Here, the word light denotes an action. So, it is used as a verb here. The second word is back. B-A-C-K, back. Back means piche. He carried the load on his back. He carried the load on his back. Back is noun here. Do not come from the back door. Do not come from the back door. Back is used as an adjective here. I will always back you up. I will always back you up. Back you up. हौसला देना. Here, back is used as a verb. Next word is round. R-O-U-N-D, round. The headmaster went on a round. Round is used as a noun. The earth is round. The earth is round. The shape of the earth is round. So, it's an adjective here. The police rounded up the thief. The police rounded up the thief. Rounded up, कीड़ा पा लेना. It's a verb here. Next word is water. Water. W-A-T-E-R. R is silent. So we will pronounce it water. I drank a glass of water. It's a noun. This is a water mill. This is a water mill. Water is used as an adjective here. Next sentence is, the gardener is watering the plants. The gardener is watering the plants. Watering is a verb here. Pani dena. So students, this is all for now. I hope now you have understood the use of words as different parts of speech. Practice it at your home. Have a great day. Thank you.